today with a Universal Yums. And I know I'm late because this is for June, right?
Yeah.
This is June's Universal Box, but we're gonna just ignore that because it just doesn't matter. We've got no rules here. I wanna welcome everybody, Kenneth, to our Universal Yums sampling today. He is Erica's son. Cut.
Watch out, she's gonna blow one.
Sorry. So we've got. I keep waiting for you to do it again.
This is my son.
Yes, I know.
How about you introduce me?
Nope, she's good.
Having Erica here with us today to sample our Universal Sum.
Universal.
You're focused on saying
Maybe we need that era.
I know, I'm hot now. My face is hot.
Put in the fan.
Kenneth, our son. Say hello, Kenneth.
Hi.
Kenneth asked if he could be a part of our little production here. Why? I don't know, because
We're nuts.
I know, we're crazy.
He's used to it.
So crazy.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yep.
Anyway, so we're going to be opening up our Universal Yums box from June. Okay, a little bit late, but we're not going to worry. A little tardy for the party. Okay. We are all prepared with our water and our little pieces of paper towel. And if we need to, spit anything out, this is where it will go.
Hopefully we don't have to do that though.
Hopefully we don't have to do that.
It'll be delicious. I'm sure.
Do you know what, Erica?
What?
You know what we forgot?
Drinks.
Well, that too.
Alcohol.
Yes. But I have to go to the doctor's after this, so
Okay, no
no
alcohol.
drinking today. Your shirt and my shirt. I mean, I have mine on.
I don't think mine was
So we
very
don't-
visible last time.
All right. Well, I made Erica a shirt the last time, and it said Erica on it, but I put a black lettering on a black shirt or something stupid like
It was
that.
gray with green.
Gray with green.
Right. Yeah.
Anyway, I have
It's a bit difficult.
I have a little something for you, Erica. Here you go. I don't know, if you don't have to wear it now, but I did get it, and I thought it was just so cute.
Oh my god. How cute! It is cute.
If I had more time, I would have gotten you one too.
Match Denise.
Uh-huh.
Let's see if we should put this on, shall we?
I think we shall.
I think we shall.
You're gonna do the magic. The magic trick is hold it. All right, ready? Set, go. Woo!
Looking good?
This is very nice.
You will not get us mixed up now, Erica. Denise.
No.
Kenneth.
My
Denise.
I am her
My
son, not daughter.
All right, guys, so we're gonna open up our box and we're gonna get our treats from Brazil and we're gonna start snacking. Yay. Kenneth brought his own knife today, so
Yeah.
we will not be using my knife today, so I'm so sorry, knife, but
I'm not gonna cut towards you.
Just don't open it, just cut it.
It's very dull, but that's okay.
Now, normally when Erica and I do it, we do a whole entire box. You know what? I think we're gonna do things a little bit differently here. I think we're gonna do maybe we'll see how many are in here. If there's 12 to 14, we're gonna divide it in half and keep it a lot shorter. I think it just goes a lot quicker and it makes it more fun for everybody. All right, so the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna each choose 2 products, whatever you guys want, and we will sample those and see how they taste, whether they're delicious or if they're just gagalicious. I don't know. I don't anticipate anything being nasty.
That's
No,
a very
I never
good
do.
word to go with that.
I don't even know if it is a word.
I think they are. It's all.
Kenneth, you're our guest, so tell us what you would like to look at and choose and sample. What do you want to sample today?
Let's start with these, I guess.
Something
They look like
oh, and hot. They're choosing something hot.
Ooh.
As usual, I will insert a clip somewhere here or here, and you can take a closer look at what we're sampling.
They're called Fabitos.
Ooh, that sounds like something else.
It does sound like something else. Nice pickup, Denise.
So what are we trying? What is it called again?
Pimenta Calabresa. You already passed it.
I did. Oh, there it is, right here.
Ours.
Okay. Yes. Pimenta calabresa. You might need your knife to open it.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's try them. Let's try them.
Oh, one fell out.
Alrighty. So this is gonna be something hot. I think.
Ooh. Yeah, it already smells.
And it
bad.
smells like pimento, but I don't think I eat pimento.
I've never had pimento.
Smell it.
It smells like food, like an appetizer dish or something.
So,
And they look like noodles of oodles.
They look like pretzels. So that's right.
Oh, just put it in my hand. Give it to me. Oh, okay.
All right, I'm just gonna have this ready.
Yes, absolutely.
Water on the ready.
okay, ready?
Alrighty, let's
Smells
smell.
very strong.
All right, pimenta.
Here we go.
Oh, but this is the word chili, so it's gonna be hot. I see the word chili.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How many are you
Why do I
putting in your
have
mouth?
to choose this?
2.
I'm putting in one.
Alright, I'm two. I think it's gonna be alright.
Oh, they're good.
Oh yes, I like it.
Okay with it.
I don't taste any chili in it. I taste salt in it.
Maybe
Yum,
chili
yum.
powder.
It's not hot,
Oh God.
so.
Brazil, we like this one. Like it?
I like a corn chip.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it.
You give it a thumbs up, Erica?
I do.
Alright, cool. We all give it a thumbs up. Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
I could eat the whole thing.
I know. Why'd you put so much in my pocket? My pocket.
Why'd you put so
my
much?
hand.
Because this is full. Usually they don't
I
give us
know.
a lot of stuff. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So, next. That's what those are for. They catch
They're in my
things.
mouth.
Alright, rinse. Next.
You choose next.
Alright.
Erica's choosing next. So the first one was a good one.
Oh, chocolate. I see chocolate.
Whatever you want,
This
choose
is
it.
something with chocolate, so Denise
I
will
see
love
chocolate
it.
and honey.
Oh, okay. Tell me what it is.
Honey bread cake.
Honey bread cake.
It's a honey bread cake.
I can't. Do you speak that? Do you speak Brazilian?
Corey Pau de Mel.
Here you
Okay, that's what we're having now.
Oh.
Oh, they look yummy. They look delicious. Oh, don't mind if I do.
They
Oh
look,
my gosh.
they look like
at
tagalongs.
that. Yes,
Like
they're
the,
so cute. Shall we do a cheers?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a three-way cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Alrighty. What's our flavor that we're going to be tasting, by the way?
Chocolate and honey.
Okay.
It's harder than I thought it would be.
It's like, it's clearly a cookie dipped in something that's supposed to look and taste like chocolate, but I don't think it does.
It's almost like a stale cookie with chocolate on it.
Yeah, what's up with
Yeah.
that? But you know, it's been there since June.
I don't really taste the honey.
It's like a no cookie. I don't know. If I was on a fat-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, then maybe I'd like it.
It's not an overwhelming yummy.
If anything. I don't know.
Well,
I wasn't loving
that picture I was expecting to be like, what?
Yeah.
We're not like
Not so much.
vomiting over it, but we're not recommending it specifically.
Correct. Sorry, Brazil. Let's make up for it now. I'm gonna choose one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna take a look-see. Let me look and see if I can find something delicious. All right. This looks good. All right. Yeah. Tell me what this is, Kenneth.
All right. Amori.
Oh. Again. I'll insert it somewhere.
We'll say a Kit Kat.
It has
Chocolate-covered wafer with coconut.
Sailor Cocoa.
Sailor cocoa? Okay, don't know what that is, but
Open it up.
let's give
It
it a
has
whirl.
coconut.
All right.
There are 2 in here.
Yep.
So you get one.
I'm not eating the whole thing. I gotta try it
We're
first.
trying them.
Take it.
If
We'll,
I get
we'll
on a
split
waste
this
it.
3 ways. So
Yes.
it'll be fine.
And it might be a little warm because it's a little bit hot out here. It's very humid here in Connecticut. Oh, came right apart.
Whoa, you smell the coconut.
Oh, thanks. Oh, goodness.
Wow. That's what you smell. Coconut.
Yeah, Yeah,
Oh,
that's
wow.
coconut.
Woo,
Yeah.
it smells like tanning lotion.
Kind of rinse out the last
Tanning lotion wrapped in chocolate. True, we have to clean the palate. Cleanse it, clean
Well,
it.
that last one had barely any taste. I don't need to.
Okay.
one.
Yes.
Yeah, like it's still in.
Well, that was, yes, that's right.
All right, it's melting in my fingers.
Okay, let's do this.
Right.
Cheers. Cheers.
You barely have to chew it.
Yeah, it kind of melts in your mouth.
It's like
Like-
a Kit Kat with coconut in it.
Or that cheapy little cookie they have at the store, like a wafer.
The wafers?
It's like that. Coconut.
Well,
Yeah.
a Kit Kat is a wafer with chocolate.
Oh my god, I just realized that. Thank you for the explanation there, Kenna.
Well, I'm just.
No, sometimes it just doesn't, I don't know where things hide in my head. I don't know. I don't get it. It's not bad. I wouldn't
Yeah.
necessarily pay like money for it.
Wouldn't pay the price of a Kit Kat to get this, but
Right.
If I went to a gas station, that's not what I'd pick up.
Yeah. I mean, it's just, I mean, I'm not going to say I hate it, but
Yeah.
I'll give it a little halfway.
Yeah. Yeah. Open it up.
all right.
Let's see what
Cut
we
the
got.
They look like shells from mac and cheese.
Oh,
But
they're cute.
Oh,
Look.
actually, the
Come.
packaging's cute too. He's a cute little squirrel. They smell
oh,
delish.
I think squirrel might be a.
Ew, maybe we're eating squirrel. Are we eating squirrel?
Squirrel is a pun on words.
You didn't take any.
Squirrel.
I did too. I took.
Thanks.
Oh, I took 3.
All right.
All right, so this is not going to be hot, right?
No.
Just I want to
We
be.
didn't read
Um,
about it in the book.
I want to be
Yeah, we're-
prepared.
hold on. Oh, right there. Barbecue corn puffs.
Oh, barbecue.
Oh, we're safe with
I'm
barbecue.
down with barbecue.
We should be okay with this. I got chocolate on my food.
Okay. Ready? Cheers.
Oh, they're stale.
They're stale?
Very
Oh,
stale.
that's why there's no air in it. Oh.
Yeah.
But I'm not eating the other 2.
It's like eating
They're
cake.
good, though.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They are
Squirrel.
good, but they're stale.
Yeah, you know
If
what?
they
There's
weren't
got-
stale, they would definitely be a thumbs up.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's just do a thumbs up.
they're good, but next time bring the air.
Oh. What are we
Oh,
gonna?
mousse de la mayo. So is that
Wafers with lime mousse.
lime mousse? Okay.
Lime. Okay.
Should be
You know, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I like
Lime.
lime. Is lime in 7-Up
You
Sprite?
drink Coronas?
Not with lime, clearly.
Everybody puts a. Oh, I don't drink it, but everybody I know puts a lime in the Corona.
We shall see.
Okay,
if
so
we like it.
here you go. They're messy.
Definitely another wafer. Ooh,
They're definitely
Yes.
messy.
they're so
Very
light.
salty.
They're not salty.
Ooh.
They're sweet.
Did I grab 2 or 1? Oh, okay.
That's one.
Can I smell it first?
Ooh,
Oh,
smells good.
it smells like cheesecake or something.
Mm.
Smells like a lemon skittle.
Or that. Cheers! Oh, I think I could really whip this into a really good dessert.
I bet you could too.
You should.
I think I like it.
Lucky thing they sent a lot.
That's very good. We like this one.
Oh yeah, it's good.
They make them in other flavors, so other people may have different ones, but ours is.
They have a
ours
bunch of flavors on the bottom.
Yeah, ours was lime, so
Thumbs
I was
up.
happy with it.
You
All
could
right,
just find one that looks terrible.
Hi.
all right, we're gonna do this one. What is this one, Kenneth? Talk to me. Tell me what it is.
Delishitos.
Is that a P or a D?
It's a D.
It's a yes, they are deliciosos. Oh, this is that pimento word again. Pepper crackers.
Pepper crackers.
Yeah.
All right, open it
We're
up.
gonna try
Why is
pepper
there a
crackers.
label on the front?
I don't know. It came from Brazil.
Maybe that's how
I
they
do
do
not
it.
know. Oh, I don't know my Brazil accent either.
Nice.
Yeah, savor pimento.
Oh, we got a little smooch down there.
Puppy.
Yeah, insert the picture.
Yeah. I haven't done an introduction of him on YouTube
Alright.
yet.
You
Ooh,
You make sure.
let's smell it first. I'll give you the.
Hopefully
Definitely.
there's air in these ones.
Peppery. I mean, not in a bad way. Next.
They look puffy.
They look like, you know, when you get your Chinese food and you get the little sauce that you
Little
dip.
crackers.
Yeah, the 3D stuff that you get.
I don't really smell anything but the
I
bag.
got a deflated one.
Oh, do you want to upgrade?
No, I'm good. I like the deflated.
Ready? Cheers!
Cheers.
So we don't know if this is hot.
It is. It's hot.
Yeah.
It's
Not
hot.
that bad though. I mean, I haven't gotten back. I like it. That's a good one.
It's hot. Bravo on getting those strong flavors in these little things.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised they won't stay.
Deliciosos. Pimenta.
Deliciosos are delicious.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it a thumbs up. That was good.
Spicy.
Very good.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, banana chocolate.
Is it called banada? Is that the word?
Yeah, I guess so.
Banana.
Banana or banana?
Here.
It says
You
banana.
say banana, say banana. Chocolate covered banana bar. Ooh, you know, this could be tricky. This could also be like that first one too. Like a figgy, I don't know.
I don't like the.
And you know, let's just
Well,
see.
let's open it and see.
All right,
Oh, hang on.
come on Brazil. Let's pull this one out of the park. Pull it or hit it? Hit it out of the park. Don't pull it out of the park.
So apparently Brazil is very known for their bananas.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hope that
It
this is
smells
good.
very chocolatey.
Oh, come on,
Yeah,
please
we
let
could
it be
just-
delicious.
Very chocolatey.
can't open
Sometimes when it
You should
smells
make-
chocolatey though,
Yeah, well,
it doesn't taste chocolatey, you know?
it's okay.
Yeah, did you smell it?
I did not.
This better be good. It's not
Kind
good.
of likes chocolate.
I think it's good too.
Ready?
That's all I like.
Cheers.
Here you go.
Oh, I didn't
Well,
see that coming.
the texture is
Like a Twix.
No, not even. Like jelly. It's coming out, isn't it? It's gonna come out.
you like
I don't taste
Oh,
banana.
God.
I don't taste banana
I
at all.
know. There's no banana in here.
This is jelly.
Oh yeah, and I'm not a fan.
Sort of like it. I really can't tell. if
What
I
you
like
all need to know is that my son is the pickiest eater in the world, and the fact that he wanted to do this is amazing. So I'm very
Yeah.
interested to know what he thinks. He put the whole thing in, so he obviously likes it. I'm gonna give it an
I just don't want it in front of me.
Yeah, I would only. The only thing is, if I didn't, I'm a texture person.
Ooh.
Yeah, it was jelly.
Yeah, but no banana flavor whatsoever in that. I'm sorry,
No,
Brazil.
I didn't taste any banana.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so like 1 out of our 7 that we didn't like. So that's not too bad. I
Well-
think it's still good.
Yeah, these were all good.
Not bad.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in a subscription box, you can get yours. They actually make them smaller than this one, or if you want it bigger. I can't imagine
Really?
it
I
bigger.
didn't know they had different sizes.
Yes. Well, I thought the middle was good, but it's kind of a lot. That's why we're dividing it in half. You know, that way you don't leave halfway through, and we actually finish the video.
Yeah.
Hopefully this
Don't
didn't turn out to
leave.
be. Yeah, don't. What
If
the
you're still
heck?
here, make sure you subscribe.
Well, yeah, because why not? And
Yeah.
make sure you throw a like at me too, because
Yeah.
that's important. And if God forbid you want to put a thumbs down,
Just say why.
yeah, just put a comment why, and
Why?
I'll fix whatever it
Learn
is
from
that
it.
you don't like. I
Maybe
promise.
it's me.
No, everybody loves you.
You think so? That's well, he does.
I
This
love
is,
you.
I'm 2 for 2 here.
Oh.
She's pretty great.
Kenneth, thank you so much for being here today with us.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
Erica, thank you, and I love your shirt, by the way.
I do love your shirt as well. Thank you.
We match. And I think that's about it. So we will see you in the next video. All right. Bye, everyone. Everybody, Kenneth to our Universal Yums sampling today. He is Erica's son. Cut.
Watch out, she's gonna blow